So what we have here is a Lenovo P1, which was purchased last year. And as you can see, it's in sleep mode. Just checking right here. Yes, it's been locked, so I don't know the password. And the password isn't empty either, as you can see. So that's all good. What we're going to do now is turn over the laptop so that we can reach the backplate. And we unscrew the backplate. Right, there we go. So now I'm going to attach my spy programmer, which is a device called Bus Pirate. And it allows me to interface with the spy flash that is storing the Thunderbolt controller firmware. Okay, so attaching the Bus Pirate to my attacker laptop. And now we're going to use a tool called FlashROM to get the firmware from the spy flash. Right, so now I have a dump, and I'm going to feed that dump to a tool that I wrote, which is called Thunderbolt Controller Firmware Patcher. And so as you can see, apparently the Thunderbolt controller was set to security level 1, which is the default security level on all Thunderbolt laptops. And I'm patching it now to an insecure state. And so as you can see, it says SL0, which means all Thunderbolt security is disabled. Now we're going to write back the firmware to the spy flash. Now this might take a bit because FlashROM will be trying various methods to program the spy flash. And as you can see, eventually it will succeed. Okay, so now we've written our custom firmware to the spy flash, and we're detaching the spy programmer and putting back the backplate onto the laptop. Turning over the laptop and opening it up. Now, as you can see, it's still up and running. You still cannot get into the laptop. And here I'm attaching my Thunderbolt-based attacker device. Now what you see here is a device that will be attacking the laptop, and we're going to use that device with a tool called PCI Leech. And here I'm loading a kernel module into the memory of the laptop, which allows me to bypass Windows lock screen. So let's see if it has worked. We're entering no password, and there we go. We can get into the laptop. Thank you for watching.